Remember the 27-inch iMac which we had with the blown capacitors? So these are the capacitors which we took out from it and fixed the power supply. Now it turns on, but unfortunately we also noticed that the hard drive has failed, which is normal. This is about 12-year-old iMac. So what we've done is we replaced the drive with a 2 terabyte SSD drive. 2 terabyte SSD drive, which gonna make this machine running much faster. And now we are in the process of transferring customers' data. There you go. We brought over a decade-old iMac back to a fully functioning state. So we're just gonna glue the screen back, and it's gonna be all ready to go.